Y'all don't even want to see this. Oh my god, Raul, it's gotta go. Throw the whole thing away. Today I am doing something crazy. My friend Chloe Couture did a video where she was trying out one of my DIYs and she challenged me to try out her jello aquarium. She actually challenged me like legit 5 months ago and I'm just now getting to it.
I challenge you to do my jello aquarium. I feel like it's awesome.
You know what? I'm gonna take on this challenge. Besides, it looks super cute and it's like all gummy and stuff. So bomb! Comment down below, what's your favorite gummy candy? I like gummy bears. And without further ado, let's head down to my kitchen. Let's go. So first things first, I bought an aquarium and I also got a bunch of like aquarium plants and decor for my little fish tank. Also, this is voiceover because I expected this to like come out really cute and all. And I was like, I'm just gonna do a cute little voiceover. And it actually ended up being a fail in the end. Throw the whole thing away. So I wish I actually did this like raw and like talked to you guys and explained to you what I was doing, because I feel like it would have been like much funnier, because I did struggle with this. Y'all, this was actually not gonna go up on my channel. Like, I decided months ago that I was not gonna upload this video because it was a huge fail, and I don't know why the heck, like, I just didn't want to upload it. But it happens all the time, fails happen, and I just thought it would be fun to show you guys what goes down when the DIY doesn't work. And I 100% know that this didn't work because of me, because I let this you'll see later on. First things first, I made a bunch of gelatin and I feel I made so much jello for it to go to waste. Oh my god, this video is just a mess. Once that was done, I let it cool off on the side, and then I started to fill my fish tank with all the decor. I put in the colorful pebbles. I believe Chloe tried with nerds, but it didn't like work or something. So we ended up doing the pebbles, and then we started to decorate our aquarium. The next step was to pour the jello mix into the aquarium, and this is where I knew that I messed up because Chloe's was already looking nice and transparent. Mine just looked like a dirty, foggy fish tank. I also don't know why the heck I was doing this, putting it in the fridge every other layer. I believe Chloe actually let it get tacky, like she would put it in the fridge, let it get a little tacky so that you're able to put the animals in. What I did was I would put each layer and then put the animals. My method was not a cute look, and I ended up figuring out that I was doing it wrong until the last layer. And I still had hope, you guys. I still went on and I was like, this is gonna be amazing. Look, it's obvious, like she's doing it where she let it get tacky, but I didn't. I was literally just shoving the gummies into the jello hoping it was gonna work. But I'm very proud of my little turtle that I made out of taffies. At least, you know, that one was, I can't believe I took so long making that freaking turtle for this to fail. But I continued because I thought I could make it work. All right, you guys, so I took my aquarium out of the fridge. It's still a little bit sticky, but it's starting to get a little, you know, well, it's starting to set. So I'm gonna go in with some more octopuses and some fishies and really try to get them in, because I saw that Chloe, hers look like a little bit like this, where it's not all the way liquid so that they're able to float around, because I wasn't sure what I was doing wrong because I was just kind of squeezing them through the jello. Also, I don't know if I needed more water. My fish tank looks super, like, it looks like a dirty fish tank. What if it's supposed to set longer and then it'll clear up? I don't know. We'll see what happens. And I can't even tell where it's going. What the heck am I doing? You guys, this is like a fail. It's not even, is it staying? It's just hard. Let's put another one over here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that one's there. Let's add some fishies. I'm trying my hardest here. I hope it looks good when it's done. I can't really see where it's going. I can't see from this side. Maybe it's less gelatin, more water. I feel like I'm just messing this up. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge, and I cross my fingers that this clears up. So far, this looks like a really dirty aquarium, and I'm not sure what I did. Let's put you back in the fridge. Let's go. You guys, this aquarium has been sitting in my fridge for like, I think it's been like a month. Kind of just like always lagged it, but it's been sitting in my fridge and taking up space for a while now. So I'm kind of scared to see what it's gonna look like. Oh God. Me and my man ordered all the cheesecake at Cheesecake Factory. What's new? Oh my God, it's so molded. How the heck? Y'all don't even want to see this. Ew, 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 ew. I want to throw up. I want to throw up. Oh my God. We need to throw the whole thing away. Like the entire thing. Oh my God, Raul, it's gotta go. Throw the whole thing away. So this is how my gummy aquarium turned out. It looks so cute. I heard it was gonna be molded. Like everyone was telling me like that thing's gonna mold. It's been sitting there. I'm like, dude, it's in the fridge. Like it's good. And it looks like it's growing freaking animals in there. Like I can't. It looks like an actual like rotten fish tank. Oh my God, I was really like, you know what? I'm gonna get my hands in there, play with some jello. It's gonna be so much fun. I wanna throw up. Oh God. I can't believe that's been sitting in my fridge for like a while and I didn't know it was that bad. It's all bad. I don't even know what type to say. Okay. I didn't even have an outro for this video. Like this video was just a hot mess. I don't know if some people are gonna hate this video because of that. I actually decided I was not gonna upload this video months ago. I filmed this video a while ago and it was just such a fail. But I thought about it and I thought it would be kind of fun to show you guys how a video can really fail. Like this was legit not gonna go up. Also, I know that it was my fault that it went wrong because like I started following directions wrong like from the beginning. Chloe's DIY was amazing. I know that I didn't do it right. So there's my failed attempt. I don't even know how to end this. This is like such a weird video. Like it's like all over the place. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I look disgusting.